Okay, so today I'm going to do a little video on some housekeeping. I'm going to be cutting some of my battery cables and connections and cut them to length. And this is a tool that you really need if you're going to do that. This is a hydraulic crimper. This will go up to 2/0, and it comes with different jaws for all the sizes you're going to need. I also bought a kit that came with a bunch of different connectors that I can crimp on. And Amazon is your best friend when you own an RV because they pretty much have everything you need. So I'm going to measure these out, cut them, and then I'll show you how I crimp them. So the kit I purchased came with a set of cable cutters, which you pretty much need when you're dealing with these big cables. Makes a very nice cut. Now I'm going to cut this back to about here, and then we're going to crimp that on. Alright, I've got the 2/0 jaws in the crimper. Now we're going to, well, let's see, put it on there, get it where we need it. You almost need 3 hands to do this. And we don't want the wires to be sticking out. And turn this to work. Get it up on the connector. And then just pump it. Got a ways to go down. Alright, so it's on the connector, and now you just crank it down till it stops. And then you just release it. There you have a super tight crimp. It's not going anywhere, and don't forget to put your heat shrink on and slide the heat shrink up over it, which is a little tight on 2/0, and then shrink it down. Alright, and here we have the finished product. I shortened up my interconnection cables to where they're not having to be stuffed down around the edges. I shortened up my negative. I left the positive going to the fuse. I didn't even shorten that. I wanted it away from this negative terminal. Everything is in a great position. I don't have to worry about anything touching, and I think we're in good shape.